You ready for the zombie?
I'm ready for
Paintball?
it. Come on.
You ready, Day? She's all shy.
Whoa.
Do not touch the gun. I'm watching this. I'm in charge. Baby!
Nessa?
Yes. You finished? She'll explain the game and the rules. Okay, you want me to explain the game really quick? I already know. You already know?
No, well, everybody else don't know.
Okay, do you guys want to hear the game? Yeah? Okay, so Farmer Joe has been kidnapped. And there is 6 posts that are inside the maze. And there's a whole bunch of each one, so you're going to try to figure out who did it, where, and with what weapon. Okay, kind of like Clue. Yeah. So make sure when you get there, please do not run, do not touch the corn, stand on the path, no smoking, no drinking. Okay, does anyone else want one?
It's like Clue.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Where do you want to go?
Last time, no.
We'll follow.
Mom, what happens if we don't make it?
Then you cry.
Just stay there forever.
There's corn. There's corn. We're just going around about.
Nessa, what are you doing?
Oh, wait.
Here's
There's something right here.
There's a clue.
All right, so this says farm
Right there.
scene. Find the weapon, location, and subject.
That one.
So,
Punch
Okay.
it right there.
punch which one? This one? This is. Which one is it?
Pumpkin.
Is that pumpkin?
Somebody light the pumpkin patch? The second one. This one.
It's
right
this
here?
one. It's this one.
Okay. All right. There you go. So it's not that, right? Or it is that?
Yes.
Oh,
Hold this.
Because the picture
You ready?
is the
Hold.
same.
Hold.
okay. So it was someone with some weapon at the pumpkin patch, right? That's what this means?
Basically, I think we have to find out what weapon.
Farmer Joy.
Ankle breaker.
Isn't it?
Well, I mean, si no te estás
Oh,
fijando.
yeah.
That's there goes your ankle.
So we passed this caution tape a little while ago, right?
No, it's because there's a bunch of them.
Then,
Yeah, they do.
dead end. All right, let's go this way. Let's go this side.
Where's that? At the slaughterhouse, you need to watch out.
Can we just?
You need to watch over my mom because.
Is that cheating if we just go like this?
Yes.
Come on, cheater. Are you going to the slaughterhouse? Yes. You need to watch over.
Wait, can we go this way? Or
We just went that way.
did we go this way?
We came from there.
All right. Did we come from this way?
Yeah.
No, we came from that way.
So these people are coming from this
All
way.
right, go.
So maybe there's a clue right here.
I think this might be a dead end. Okay, let's just try it. If not, we'll just book it through here straight.
You guys didn't let me cheat back there.
I know. We're like, come on, cheater.
Mom,
What?
back it up, back it up.
Back it up. Back
What?
it up.
Let's wait for them.
Wait for who?
Maybe left? Take the left.
Are we going that way? Yeah, let's go away from the lights. We've been next to the lights.
It's clear over here.
What?
There's nothing over here.
Told
that
you.
No, this way? Hold on.
Oh, there's a clue. There's a clue.
There's a clue. Is it the same one?
Guys, hurry. I think we found the last clue.
Is it the same one?
No, it is the weapon location. What? Find the weapon. What? What is this?
It is, let me see.
No, this is this. This is the haystack. Dude, no.
Did you do this one already, Day?
So wait a second. This is the haystack.
Day?
So,
Did you do this one already?
It's right
No.
there.
Oh, okay.
But why is there two locations? This is the location. This is.
So there's the
Look, this is this.
barn in the haystack?
Yeah.
What? Barn in the what? That doesn't make sense.
What does the thing say? It says,
I thought it was
stay
just
on
one from here,
established
one from here.
maze paths, don't cut through. Blah, blah, blah.
Don't pick.
Oh, it doesn't really tell you. What is she saying you do?
I know. So, collect the evidence to find the weapon. The suspect and the location
Wait,
where the
how
theft
much
took place.
do
You will find 6 location scenes
Oh, there we
within.
go.
Okay, listen,
So
listen.
6
We will find
locations.
6 location scenes within the corn maze. At each scene, you will find an animal. At each scene, you will find an animal. So.
Oh, animal.
Oh, okay, perfect.
And then look, they're watching.
Yep. Okay. So we gotta get the squirrel out. What is that? A squirrel? A
I don't think we
fox?
did that.
Oh,
the
we
other
got
one.
this.
We
We got
didn't.
this. These. Right there.
Okay. All right. Let's get those guys out. Punch me.
These guys?
Yep. And then what about this guy? Is this a guy or not? And get me right here.
These
Right there. So what about this dude? All right. Anybody else need a hole punch?
Fox. I guess he's not. Okay, and don't we need to hole punch the weapon too?
I'm confused about the chicken.
Is there a weapon on here?
Yeah.
Because they found the other weapon.
Wait.
Wait, that's
What
rat
weapon?
poisoning.
Okay. Yep. The
Right
rat
there.
poisoning is out. Take it out.
And the corn canyon thing?
Yep. That one's already been taken out though, right?
I guess so.
Here, take my rat poison out. You're
rat?
punching too many. Don't get too excited. All right.
Did you get the rat poisoning?
Let go, yeah.
Yeah.
And the squirrel or whatever that
Okay, let me
is, the
see it, let me
fox?
see it.
No, I don't have a fox. I have chickens. That's what I got. Did you get your chickens?
I can't.
1, 2, 3.
I got it. It's the hard one to hole punch.
Here's
So
one.
there's a
Oh,
snake.
there's a weapon.
What is that?
The
There's a snake. There's a frog.
Yeah, there's a wrench.
Okay, we
Right
got
there.
it. Okay, let's get the wrench. Right here. Mine's right here.
No, ya no, güey. No, ya no, porque no, y luego
Come on,
es que
Nessa,
sí
you're the
tenía,
puncher.
pero
And then there's something hiding right there. It's the llama. I see the llama. And get the llama too while you're there.
So what's the point of this? To hole punch all of them?
No, to find who's the last ones left. The
yeah,
llama.
the last thing.
Llama right here, baby.
So check what the
What
last
about
thing.
the weapon?
The weapon.
The wrench.
Bottom,
Is
bottom,
wrench.
bottom.
Yeah.
Here, do you want me
You
to
gotta
do
work at Dutch Bros to learn
Let me
this.
see now. Tata.
it? Here, let me try this one.
No, Mom. She sucks
Let
at
her.
it.
She's practicing for Dutch Bros.
No, it's because this is a bad one. It only makes like stick.
Alright.
No, I got it. Give me the llama.
Did you guys do the wrench?
This one is weird, a hole puncher. It's like
Yeah.
lines, huh?
Dad, do you need it?
The llama. Where's
No, let me
yours?
see it. You didn't even
This one, do you have
punch
this
it.
one already?
This one's different, Christopher.
Yes, I did. It's
It's
right
not
there.
a hole.
Where?
llama.
They're
They're
lines.
lines. You know
Okay, because there's somebody
Yeah,
waiting.
Mijo, it's
There's
just
people
lines.
waiting.
Wait, okay, where's the weapon? The wrench, we got the wrench. And what about a
Wrench,
location?
llama, and the location.
Wait, the location is where? In the forest? Forest?
Is there a forest? Isn't that it?
No, I don't know. Does it? Yeah, it is, Coop. The back.
location.
40.
The back 40.
Yep, the back 40. It is that.
I got it now. I can do my own.
Mommy, hurry. There's
This one's just a line. That's why it looks like that. No.
I can do mine. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. No, I can do
That was so much fun to climb. Then they tore it out.
All right.
Where are we going?
Maybe no.
Is this a helper?
Yeah.
Okay. No, we're good. No, we're good. Who needs help? Let's see how. Let's do a vote. Let's see how many need help and how many don't.
Tata doesn't want to
How
do it
many
anymore.
help? ¿Cuántos se quieren salir? Levanta la mano. Just you, Tata. That's not fair. No.
Just you.
Just you. How many don't? How many don't?
How many don't care?
Don't ask that. How many aren't even paying attention to what the fuck we're doing? Oh God, we're gonna kill him. We're gonna kill him.
No, see, we were supposed to come out on this side.
Please.
Oh, got it.
Preténdenlo.
We should go that way.
So we pretend that we can.
Just pretend you finished.
Yeah, let's pretend we can.
Where's the
Where? Let's go back. Alright, we made it. We made it. Yes! Yes!
You helped out Farmer Joe the best you could.
She wants one too. She just doesn't want to ask for one. She's like, I'm the mom here.
Rose is stuck in
Thank you. That was awesome. The bull at the tree.
Look, they made it out just fine.
We did. So did Janessa.
So
and
did
I.
we.
What are you talking about?
So did I. So did we, Mom. So did Tata.
Oh my
And
gosh,
Watch out.
that's scary.